how many movies did you make? Are you still counting or?
I can't count. I can't answer for this question because it would be stupid to say a number. I don't know. I have done a lot, more than 100.
Also the men, you are also not counting?
I'm not counting the men's either, but I've done more girl and fetish stuff than with men's. But also I did a lot with men's.
If you compare the porn industry in Slovenia and in your hometown Hungary, is there lots of porn production?
Yes, it's very different because Slovenian porn production is mostly for Slovenia. Hungary is not like that. A lot of American companies come there to shoot and they sell their material in America. So it's not especially for Hungarian people. There are a lot of websites, American websites, where people shoot in America, in Hungary with Hungarian girls. But you can't exit that site from Hungary, so it's only for America. Slovenia is much different. There are not so many productions as I heard. It's quite small population, but it's only for Slovenian people.
When I talked to Miss Madison from the USA, she said that this is kind of erotic fare for us, but it's like porn in the USA. So the sex and the porn industry in Europe is harder than in the USA. Would you also say that?
No, I wouldn't say that. And I was in Los Angeles for 1.5 months and I had a lot of shoot. I was working every day and I can't say that. There are companies which shoot this sort of stuff, there are companies which shoot that sort of stuff, so I can't say that.
So how busy are you in the next few months? How many shoots do you have?
Yeah, actually I'm always busy because I have my own website, which I have to update every week. So I'm quite busy with that, and I'm in personal connection with the members because they can write me emails and they can also have a wish clip, so then I can shoot what they want to see, and that's why I'm always busy. And of course I'm also shooting for other companies.